What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Put headphones on. Alright, real quick. So 3 years, been loud, had drone, got tired of it. So I had long tube headers, X pipe 3-inch, vibrant resonators 3-inch, and then the 3-inch all the way out. That was the last setup before Corsas and Magnaflows and other stuff. I was on the lookout for GT500 mufflers, and one of my friends said, what about these Bullitt mufflers? They were cheap on the market. And I was like, I don't want to cut. Then I woke up one morning and I was like, you know what? Made an offer. Bobby picked them up for me. I went to town on the car, kind of molding everything and cutting and sanding and cutting and sanding and making sure it was the right setup. Then I went to Tyler's shop in Orlando. And you can see right there, they're the vibrant resonators, and it follows the 3-inch, and there he cut. And they welded them on. Those are the mufflers. So now I'm going to give you some comparisons of cold starts versus, what I have now, what other setups I've had before, some revs. Then I'm going to give you some drive-bys, the camera in the back, some burnouts, whatever, All right, enjoy. sounds good. No drone inside. Super quiet. When you get on it, it's loud. Sometimes it sounds raspy, but it's because the wind hits the mic the wrong way, or I don't have the mic on and I just use the GoPro mic. And you know, the wind changes the pitch, but if you notice, when there's no wind and it's steady, it sounds deep and it sounds like real good. And that's how it sounds in, you know, in real life. I made a little video for y'all with some freedom sounds and some music, so hopefully you enjoy it. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and let us know what you think. Peace.
It'd be easier for me if I turn away to flee. But there's something holding on. For me, if I turn away to flee, but there's something holding on, so hard to fade away.